Welcome to Oz News. I'm Sheila Jones. Sylvie Glute and GS Dujouquet were flying on a Qantas plane today. They were both feeling unhappy having to fly on an Australian airline. Sylvie Glute said to GS Dujouquet, "I know what will make you happy." She then calls over a stewardess and calls her an Aussie racist. The stewardess runs away upset. Sylvie Glute and GS Dujouquet then start laughing. GS Dujouquet said to Sylvie Glute, "I know what will make you happy." He then calls over a stewardess and calls her an Aussie slut. The stewardess runs away upset. Sylvie Glute and GS Dujouquet are laughing even more. After a few minutes of laughing and congratulating each other, the pilot comes up to them. The pilot says, "I know what would make this plane happy." He then throws Sylvie Glute and GS Dujouquet out of the emergency exit. The whole plane then erupts into a huge roaring laughter.